In this video, we are going to see a problem under Fourier series with the deduction part. Question is, find the Fourier series of f of x is equal to x into 2 pi minus x such that 0 less than x less than 2 pi. Hence, deduce that pi square by 12 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square, etc. This is what the question. The f of x is equal to x into 2 pi minus x with the limit 0 to 2 pi. The same question already we have done in the previous video. So that video link is given in the description box. You can refer that. Because of that only I have written the A0, AN, BN and the required Fourier series, all the answers directly. So here we are concentrating only on the deduction part. Here see the limit of this question is 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so here the limit is 0 to 2 pi. So in the 0 to 2 pi case, if I am taking like this 0 to 2 pi, 0 is the left hand limit, 2 pi is the right hand limit. Obviously in the middle value pi. Okay, so this pi is a point of continuity. Okay, so this 0 is the left hand limit, that is a discontinuity point. Okay, and 2 pi is also a point of discontinuity. At x is equal to pi, at this point the function is continuous. So this point is called it as point of continuity. So in this given limit 0 to 2 pi, we are going to take x is equal to pi. That is, the point is point of continuity. So in the definition of convergence of Fourier series we have discussed, that is only two cases. One is discontinuity, other one is continuity. So in the discontinuous case we used to take the average of the limits. In the continuous case directly we can substitute the point. So here I am taking the continuity point as x is equal to pi, means directly we can substitute x is equal to pi in the Fourier series. That is what continuous case. So here put x is equal to pi in f of x. So put x is equal to pi in f of x. So what is our given f of x? Given f of x is equal to 2 pi x, can multiply with x. So 2 pi x minus x square. In this one put x is equal to pi. So f of pi equal to, okay, so what will happen? 2 pi, we have to put only x is equal to pi. So 2 pi into pi minus pi the whole square. So what will happen? 2 pi square minus pi square, that is equal to pi square. So our f of pi equal to pi square. Now the Fourier series, we'll back to the Fourier series. Here f of x is equal to, what is the Fourier series? 2 pi square by 3 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity minus 4 by n square cos nx. This is the answer we got for this function f of x. So in this Fourier series only we are finding the deduction. So we have proved that f of x converges to f of pi. So at the point of continuity f of x converges to that point. Here the point is pi. So f of x converges to f of pi. We got the value for f of pi. What is our f of pi? That is equal to pi square. Therefore, f of x converges to pi square. This is what we got now. So here f of x converges to pi square at the point of continuity. Point of continuity is x is equal to pi. So here also we have to substitute x is equal to pi. At the same time for the left hand side we have to substitute pi square, because f of x converges to pi square at the point of continuity. So f of x is, instead of that we can make it as pi square equal to 2 pi square by 3. Here you can take the minus 4 outside. Sigma n equal to 1 to infinity cos n pi x is equal to pi. So this will become as cos n pi by n square. We know the value for cos n pi. Cos n pi equal to minus 1 power n. Okay. So what will happen? 2 pi square by 3 minus 4 into, now we can have the answer for cos n pi, n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n by n square. So now we can give the value for n. So what will happen? 2 pi square by 3 minus 4 into, first n equal to 1. So minus 1 power 1 by 1 square, that is obviously minus 1. Then n equal to 2, that means minus 1 square, that will become as plus 1. So what will happen? 1 by 2 square. So plus 1 by 2 square. Then the next one is minus 1 by 3 square, etc. So if you are multiplying with that, this can be written as 2 pi square by 3 plus 4 into, okay, this will become 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square, etc. So this can be written as pi square minus 2 pi square by 3 equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus etc. So now this can be written as 3 pi square minus 2 pi square. So obviously pi square by 3. Pi square by 3 equal to 4 into 1 minus etc. So we can bring the 4 also to the denominator. So this will become as pi square by 12. Pi square by 12 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus etc. So this is what the direction. Look at the question. Question is, and hence reduce that pi square by 12 equal to. Now we arrived the result as pi square by 12 equal to 1 minus. So here we have taken the middle value of the limit. Mid value of the limit is x is equal to pi. So that mid value is nothing but x is equal to pi is a continuous point. Continuous point means function can be directly, you can substitute at that point. So the f of x converges to pi square. That's why here we have written f of x, instead of that we have written pi square, and here also instead of x we have written that pi, point of continuity. Then we can get the answer. Thank you for watching.